Swim Week 2016.
Well, we're launching our new collection. It's called the Raw Collection, and we're showing 10 of our looks tonight.
And our whole first collection is earth tones, greens, blues, nudes. We were inspired to do it in Costa Rica last year when we were on a trip.
We work with women every day, and we know what women want, and our suits are sexy and feminine and functional. And
yeah, we wanted to kind of make a suit that's functional, stays on, stays put, easy to wear, but also sexy. Not just a sporty suit or not just completely, for sex appeal. We wanted to fuse it together. So all of our lines are really simple. Our colors are sexy, but it's all really functional, easy to wear.
Tonight we're going with a little bit more of a rocker vibe because, like she said, our suits are a little more simple lines, so we're doing a little rocker theme. And
yeah, all of our colors are earth tones, so you're going to see some current trends like 90s, you're going to see some high cut, but a lot of earth tones, and then kind of for fantasy, we're doing a rocker theme for the show.
Here from Planet Fashion TV, and we're backstage at Miami Swim Week 2016, and I'm with the designers of kay&elle bikinis. They just had their first fashion show. Tell me how it felt.
exhilarating. We're still trying to catch our breath. It was amazing. Walking that runway was awesome afterward. It was incredible. We're flying high.
Such an adrenaline rush, so amazing to see what we've been working on for so long come to life on the runway. We thought it was beautiful. We're so happy with it. Yeah, it was awesome.
It felt amazing.
Yeah. You're watching Planet Fashion TV
at Miami Swim Week 2016.